Hey, 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 Nickie Brown here. No matter where you are, what part of the world you're in, I hope that you're having a good day. So I'm making some tzatziki sauce, which is the sauce that they put on gyros. Some people pronounce it gyros, G-Y-R-O, but it is pronounced gyro. And so I'm just cutting up some onions, some red onion. You can use white onion, yellow onion, whatever onion you like. This is the onion that I'm using. And I'm not going to cut them up super small, but small enough. I kind of like a chunky sauce, so I don't mind. But I will cut them up a little bit finer than they are right now. Just run through it with my knife. So I'm actually going to use, and the recipe calls for yogurt. This is plant-based yogurt, lemon juice, dill, cucumber, garlic, and you can also put a sprig of mint if you like. I don't have any mint. I do have some peppermint oil. I thought about putting maybe a drop just to give it that mint flavor, which I may still do. I'm gonna put the rest of these in my beans. Okay. Now I'll press my garlic. And then peel it. And I'll put 2 cloves of that in there. If you're afraid you will cut yourself, then you should do this on your cutting board. But this knife isn't very sharp, so it's fine for me. Oh, and I do have conditioner in my hair, but it's all about the tutorial, honey. It's all about the tutorial. I'm fine with being on camera with conditioner in my hair. I hope that this does not bother you, and if it does, I'm going to continue to do the video, so if you don't want to watch it, you don't have to. Because it's not about the show. It's about teaching you how to make things at home that you like, so you can save money, feed yourself, feed your family. And that's around about it. Alright, so that's done. I put 2 cloves of garlic. Of course, you can use a food processor. You can even put it in the blender and use your blender as a food processor. So with the cucumber, I cut the cucumber in half. And then in half again. And then I'm going to cut those halves in half. And just cut little pieces. What is it? Okay. And again, I like a chunky sauce, so The bigger pieces are fine for me, but if you want them smaller, by all means, put them in a food processor or just chop them up smaller. Now I'm going to use this cap. If you'd like to use a measuring spoon, by all means. And I'm just going to pour a cap full. If you use a lemon, I think the recipe calls for whole lemon or half a lemon, a small one if I'm not mistaken. But again, add the lemon juice to your liking. And it also has the dill in it. As you can see, I'm not really measuring. If you'd like to be more exact, let me know and I can post an exact recipe for you. Maybe I'll do that anyway in the description box, but as you can see, I'm not really following a specific recipe. It needs more lemon juice. And I'm gonna add a little salt. And I think I'm gonna add the rest of my cucumber. And I may add just a drop of peppermint oil. It's good though. Little bit of salt. And it's really chunky now with that extra cucumber in there. So I'm going to use this on a wrap, and it'll be a veggie burger patty on my Ezekiel wrap. With a little lettuce and tomato. Yeah. The salt gave it what it needed. And I think I'm just gonna add like a drop of peppermint oil. That was like 3 drops. Oh my goodness. All right, I scooped a little bit of it out because I don't want it too pepperminty. This peppermint oil is, essential oil is very strong. Let's give it another little taste. Still might be too much peppermint oil, but it's not overpowering it, so it's fine. But peppermint leaves would probably work better. Now you adjust the taste to your liking. If you want to add more salt or pepper. But it's good for me, so I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. And this is what it looks like. And as always, I love y'all. Later. Mwah.